If you need to set your document to A3 size in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to change your page size so your document is ready for posters, large layouts, presentations, and any other A3 format project. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference when you want your content to print correctly and look exactly the way you planned. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit the key and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. It can be a new blank file or an existing document that you want to resize. Once you're in Word, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. This tab is where you'll find all the page setup options, including margins, orientation, and paper size. After you open the Layout tab, look for the Size button. This is the option that controls the paper dimensions of your document. Click Size, and you'll see a list of common page sizes appear. Word usually shows options like letter, legal, A4, and more. From that list, simply select A3. As soon as you click A3, your document page will switch to the larger A3 format. That's it. Your Word document is now set to A3 size. If you're planning to print, design, or format content for a larger page, this is the exact setting you need. If the layout looks different after changing the size, that's completely normal. A larger page can affect where text, images, and tables appear, so it's always a good idea to review your document after making the change. You may want to adjust margins, spacing, or alignment to make everything fit neatly on the new page size. One helpful tip is to double-check your printer settings later as well, especially if you're exporting or printing the file. Making sure both Word and your printer are set correctly can help avoid scaling issues or unwanted page cuts. So just to recap, the steps are very simple. Open the Layout tab, click Size, select A3, and you're done. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.